I'm vegetarian.
Okay, it's not enough. You have to actually show it.
It's good, so I still eat eggs.
How do you feel about humans exploiting other animals?
Oh, I'm vegetarian.
Okay, so how do you feel about this?
I feel sad.
So you probably agree that we should respect animals.
Yes, absolutely.
Is it possible to respect animals and still consume eggs, milk, or other? No. You say you're vegetarian. Do you know what veganism is?
I'm thinking about it. I was
Okay.
vegan for 2 years, but
Okay.
it was very difficult.
Okay. So do you understand that veganism is a principle that the humans reject any form of exploitation? So it's not only about the food, it's also about clothing like fur, leather, and it's about animal testing and entertainment purposes, like zoos and circuses. That vegans say animals are not on this planet here for us, they are here with us. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So what do you believe is stopping you then? You say it's hard, or
Where I live, it's very difficult to find vegan food that
okay,
tastes good, so I still eat eggs.
okay. But let's imagine you are in the position of the animal. Would you let that excuse count to exploit and kill you?
No,
Would you let any excuse count?
no.
No. And by the way, even if for now you don't really know what exactly tastes good and what not, and switching back to eggs, like you got a smartphone. You probably used ChatGPT before.
Yes.
Like, how hard is it really to find alternatives, recipes? Like, all the information in the world are accessible for you within 2 seconds.
Right.
So, after all, it's not even that hard. Do you know the number one benefit of being vegan if you would actually decide it?
No.
So, first of all, you wouldn't be the reason any longer that these animals are exploited to death. And the second thing is, you wouldn't be a hypocrite. Yeah. Because saying that it's wrong is not enough. You have to actually show it. Aren't these two good reasons enough to make a change? So now consider again, you in the position of the animal, how fast would you want this injustice to end?
I will think about it, yes.
How fast would they want you to be vegan?
Very right now.
So do they want you to think about it, or do they want you to act?
Do it. Yes.
So how many animals from now on have to still be exploited to death in your name?
None.
Vegan now?
Yes.
Yes, handshake on that. Thanks a lot. I want to give you a card because it's not only important to be vegan, you have to actually speak up for them. Like if any one of us would be in this position, we wouldn't only want people to like leave us alone, we want them to actively free us from this exploitation, from this slavery. So I think it's the least we can do to speak up about this topic,
Yes.
teach others about their accountability, and basically tell them this is happening for them, so we can make a change and get rid of this.
Yes.
Yeah,
I love that you guys are doing this.
thanks. So take this card. There's a documentary on there. Share it with your friends, with everyone you know. And yeah, I already said it.
Thank you.
Speak about it. Thank you. Have a nice vegan day.